Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion mode, so let's tap on this. Here we are, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button, so let me start to show you how it works. Now stop, and let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. As you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device, so it's really slow. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.